Do you dream of starting your own business, but you don't know where to begin? The best financial businesses can help you make money and achieve your goals. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen up. Let me tell you something over here. Starting a business can feel overwhelming, especially if you're unsure which direction to take. But don't worry, there are plenty of finance businesses that can help you to build a strong future. So let's explore some of the great options, okay? Step 1, financial consulting, okay? If you enjoy helping people to manage money, consider becoming a financial consultant. You can help businesses and individuals with budgeting, saving, investing. You know, it's a great way to put your financial knowledge to work, okay? That's number 1. Now, step 2, accounting services. So another great option is starting an accounting business. Many small businesses need help with taxes, keeping their finances organized. And if you're good with numbers, this is perfect. It's gonna be, time's gonna go by quick. You want a job that you at least enjoy a little bit, right? Now, step 3, it could be bookkeeping services. So if you want something more flexible, bookkeeping is a great choice. Bookkeepers help businesses to track their income and expenses. It's a job that you can start from home. You can grow it with the right clients, okay? So listen, now's the time to take action and start your journey towards financial success. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you like. I love you.